In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change font size in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page where you want to modify your text. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Select the text whose size you want to change by highlighting it with your cursor. Once the text is selected, look for the text formatting menu in the editor toolbar. Click the text style drop-down and choose a formatting option such as Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3 or Paragraph. Each heading style uses a different font size, allowing you to make important sections stand out more clearly. You can experiment with different heading levels to find the size that works best for your content. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can apply heading styles quickly using the available formatting shortcuts in Confluence. For additional customization, some Confluence environments may include apps or macros that provide more advanced text formatting options. After applying the desired style, review the page to make sure the text is clear, consistent, and easy to read. Once you are satisfied with the formatting, click Publish to save your changes. Your text will now appear in the selected size and style, helping improve the structure and readability of your Confluence page. And that's it! You've successfully changed the font size in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.